Hi, let me show you how you can enable Maps navigation on Huawei Watch Fit 4. So first in the Huawei Health app, go to Devices, select your Huawei Watch Fit 4 and make sure that you have the latest version of your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Now go to App Gallery and also make sure that you have the latest version of the Vital Maps. When you have some updates, just download it from here. So now you have to download the Vital Maps for your phone, and you can try to get it from the Google Play Store, but it only works for the older versions of Android. Where you have the newer version of Android like me, this app isn't available for your device. So if you want to download it, just go to your web browser and search for this phrase Vital Maps download, and from here you can try to download it from the Huawei website, but it also doesn't work for me. So go to the up to down, and from here you can just click this blue button, get the latest version, close the app and scroll down, and here is the green button to download it. So now when it's downloaded, go to your system files, now recent files, and from here you can install it by clicking Vital Maps. I have it installed now, so I will show you. Just go to the Vital Maps, and now you can go to directions, and from your location you have to also enable location on your phone. So from your location just to the anywhere. So let's take here, for example, in the Germany, select it on your map, and now make sure that you have enabled some option like here in the settings. Scroll down, and here is the option like get the directions on watch. Make sure that is enabled. So now just click start and take your watch, and as you can see it's automatically opened. So basically that's all. This is only the navigation, not the maps. So basically that's all. Subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.